Hello everyone, welcome to Math 131 Pre-Calculus 2, which is trigonometry. My name is Professor Lemmy Nakamura and I go by Dr. Nak nowadays. That was the nickname given to me a long time ago from my students. But anyways, again, welcome to class. And before I start anything, I just wanted to warn you ahead of time that I am the worst video maker ever. So please bear with me while I go through this. So I decided to make this video just in case you're not too familiar with MyLab Math and how it works. So let me just go over here. Oops. So this is our class. I just clicked on our class real quick. Okay, so I'm going to view this as a student right now. So this should be the page that you should see when you log on. And let's first go with the announcements. So of course, since I have not made any announcements yet, there's nothing listed there, but if you want to check, all the announcements should be right there. Okay, now let's go with the course syllabus. So you are required to take the syllabus quiz, which is due on Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. So if you click on that, you should be able to open the PDF file for the course syllabus. I know that this is so long and super boring, but I really do want you to understand the rules of this class. So please read it carefully and please take the syllabus quiz. Okay, I'm going to close that. Now let's go with the due dates calendar. So what I did here is, let me just click on August. I listed out which assignments are due and so forth on the calendar. So again, as you see, on the 20th, which is Tuesday, syllabus quiz is due. And on Wednesday, section 7.1 homework's due and so forth. So if you like, you can print this out and keep it handy so that you don't forget any assignments. Okay, so now let's just click on start here. So again, I'm just going to say welcome to Math 131 and please complete each of the following tasks as soon as possible. Run the browser check and print and carefully read the course syllabus, which you don't have to print it. Save some papers. And please, next one, complete the syllabus quiz. And step 4, click on discussions. Where is discussions? Should be here. Alright, click on discussions and introduce yourself to classmates. So I just clicked on discussions. And you should be introducing yourself here. Okay, so now let's go with, oops, I'm back at my site here. Alright, so I'm back as a student now. Okay, so click on weekly lessons. These are all the homework assignments or the quizzes or the exams coming up. Everything is listed per week. So for week 1, if you click on that, you should see this. So step 1, complete your syllabus quiz. Step 2, watch the following videos, but you don't have to watch them all. That's a lot. So just pick and choose whichever you feel that you need to watch. And step 3, complete the 7.1 MyLab Math homework by clicking on the homework and quizzes button on the left. Again, I will show you that in a minute. And the step 4, so I decided to give extra credit from day 1. So there are 3 exams and a final. So what I did here was I'm going to make an extra credit towards exam 1 and then different extra credit for exam 2 and so forth. So for the extra credit towards exam number 1 is complete the written problems. So these are from your textbook. Now, I'm just going to write down the page number and then I will show you how to get to that specific page in your textbook in a minute. Okay, and then step 5, move on to the next section, section 7.2. And again, I am horrible at making videos, so I'm going to try my best to make my own videos for each section of the course. So I'm going to call it as Dr. Knox So Not Professional videos for 7.1 and 7.2. So if you click on that, I already made this one. Oops. It should take you to YouTube channel. I don't want to listen to myself, so I'm just going to exit that. Okay, and step number 6, complete the 7.2 MyLab Math homework. And then step 7 is another extra credit towards exam number 1. So what you're gonna have to do is you need to write all of these problems out in organized manner, and write down the problem and show your work and box each of the answers, and you can submit that on the day that you take your exam. But don't worry, I will announce that and I will remind you as we go along. Okay, so let me see. So these are all the weekly lessons, so you could take a look at it. Oops, what am I doing? Okay, so now let's go with e-textbook. So I'm back at my own site again. Sorry, so here we go. So this is your student page. So let me just go to e-textbook. So this is where your textbook's going to be. Might take a little bit to load. Come on now. Alright, here we go. Okay, so this is your textbook, and if you want to get to the specific page, I mean, you can click on that button and just get to straight up the section, chapter 7, because your first assignment is section 7.1. So here is what you need to read before you do your assignment. And then if you want to turn the page, you just click on next, and then next, and so forth. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast, but feel free to ask me any questions. Okay, so I'm gonna exit out of that. Okay, so now let me show you how to get to your homework and quizzes. So I'm gonna click on that, and you should see this. Okay, so if you want to do the section 7.1 homework, you're just gonna click on it. Oops, I'm just gonna continue, and here it is. Okay, so now first question is question number 1, and it should load up, I'm hoping. And here we go. And then after you complete each problem, you could either check answer, or you could just move on to the next question. So just play with it and feel comfortable, get the feel of it, and then again, if you have any questions, I am here to help you. Alright, so what else do we need to go over? Okay, so so what I did here was to make the lecture notes for each section that you're gonna be going over here. So if I wanted to see section 7.8, just click on it. I'm sorry, it's taking a while. Oh goodness, there you go. So I made all these notes for you, and I decided to do a bunch of examples. I believe in more examples that you do, better you're gonna get. So feel free to go over these examples if you like. And then again, I will be making my own personal videos as well. Okay, so now homework questions. If you have any questions about the homework, the best way to reach me is to just email me. If you email me at lnakamura@miracosta.edu, I will get your email, and then please make sure to tell me which section and which number of the problem that you're stuck on. Okay, so anything else that you have any questions about, please let me know. So I'm just gonna go back here. All right, so anyways, I told you I'm a horrible video maker. Okay, so if you have any questions at all, please email me. You can always call me, or you can even stop by at my office if you like. And again, welcome to class, and let's get our math on.